Hey DIYers, this is Bryce from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to be learning about which wire gauge sizes to use with wiring an alarm sensor to your panel. There are two wire gauge sizes that we recommend using. It is the 22/4 and the 18/4. Each can be used to wire up different sensors and power up different devices, but we recommend the 22/4 for wiring up motion detectors, door contacts, window contacts, glass breaks, while the 18/4 we recommend using for powering up devices, as in wiring them to the transformer, and also for smoke, fire, and carbon detectors. You can buy these two products at your local hardware store and so that you can customize them to the size that you need to fish them through the walls. The reason that we recommend the 22/4 for the door contacts, window contacts, glass breaks, motion detectors is because they're a tad bit skinnier and it's easier to wire through the walls and wire through the house and fish through walls to be able to make it to the panel. The 18/4 is a little more sturdier. As you see, it's a tad bit thicker, more insulated, and better to be used with powering devices, and also making sure that those life safety devices are safe and won't be damaged easily. So you always want to make sure that the smoke, carbons, and fires are the most secure, because those potentially save your life at any moment. When using wires, make sure that you grab a wire stripper. Even though it looks like a wrench or that, it's a wire stripper. It has the different gauges on it so that it's able to strip the wires and show the coppers that you'll be needing to wire up the devices to. So on this one, we have 30, 28, 26, 24, 22 gauge. So we're able to strip this 22/4 wire easily. You place the wire in the gauge, place it flat, take it down, push down a little bit. Always make sure not to go down too hard, or you're basically just cutting wire, and it won't be good, and it'll cause a short, and then you have to rewire everything later. So you take it, turn just a tad, get it straight through, and then push off. Take your thumb and then push. And as you see, the wire is completely shown. Now that you have these exposed, you're able to wire these up to the devices so that they're able to be used at the panel and seen in the panel. So if you have a motion detector, door contact, window contact, you're able to get these now wired up and back to the panel. This will also power the devices so they're able to be used and seen as well. Always make sure to check out how much power outage that your panel can put out, so you're seeing the amps and the voltages and making sure that you're not pulling too much power and shorting the panel. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you want notifications on the video, please hit the bell button towards the bottom so that you're able to be notified every time that we post a video. If you need any help or support with wiring, contact us at 888-818-7728. Or you can send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com, and we're able to send you wiring diagrams and FAQs to give you a helping hand. Bye, guys.